refreshing and completely safe. That's how enjoying beverages should be. Whether glass bottles, cans, or PET containers, it's all okay because they all have been safely inspected. Who does this and how? This inspector, the Krones Linatronic 774X. How does it do that? It uses imaging X-ray technology. Even if the containers rush past close together, the Linatronic 774X always keeps track. With its state-of-the-art X-ray technology, it can even see through non-transparent containers and liquids, and it detects things that conventional camera systems cannot find. Compared to competing products, its X-ray technology scores particularly high in terms of reliability and durability. At a maximum conveyor speed of 2 meters per second, a distance of 2 millimeters between containers is sufficient for reliable inspection. This means that the Linatronic can be easily integrated into existing lines. The Linatronic 774X combines maximum product safety with maximum cost effectiveness. Thanks to durable X-ray generators and a virtually wear-free conveyor system, operating costs remain low in the long term. The innovative design allows individual modules of the conveyor unit to be replaced, which reduces maintenance, downtime, and costs to a minimum. A well-thought-out solution for efficient and reliable production processes. Krones Linatronic 774X. Solutions beyond tomorrow.